All right, y'all, what is going on, man? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy T right here, man. And yo, man, we got another sneaker video for you. And you know how we talk about in the sneaker videos, man. We want to get nothing but what we're rocking. But not in this case right here. We end up getting a pair. And you know how you ever have that pair of sneakers where you know you hyped about getting, and then once you get them, it's like ain't what you expected. Well, let's just say in this case, this is what we have right now, and we're going to go ahead and just flip them. You know, we're gonna sell them. But you know, like I always tell you, when I get sneakers, I got to bring you a video because you know, man, y'all my family, so I got to show y'all love. All right, so yo, we end up copping a pair of the Nike Dunks, which if you all know, man, the Dunks has been pretty hot. They're starting to fire back up, and you know, people is going crazy about them, and you know, hey, I got to get some. You know what I mean? So yeah, we end up getting some Nike Dunk highs, which is the white and Cargo Khakis. They originated in 2017. They debuted in 2017. Can't get it right. 2017, and they released again on 2021. But we end up getting a pair now. It was one of those moments where it's like, I don't know. When you want it right then, it's like I got to have it, you know. But like I said again, once you get them, it's like, why did I get these? All right, so yeah, man, let's go ahead and talk about the sneaker itself, man. You already see we got the white trimming all throughout the shoe. We got the white trimming on the collar of the sneaker as well. We got white trimming as well in the back. And also we got the white trimming going along the soles of the sneaker as well, right along with the white tongue and the white toe box, man. I mean, it's actually it's a nice sneaker, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying it's not, but I don't know for me of what to be worn with them. Well, let's see. Well, I got something to wear with them now, but still, you know, I don't know if it's like an everyday thing. You know what I mean? It's summertime coming, and yeah, man, this is the whole thing. And yeah, man, they're absolutely amazing, man. Dunks is, like I said, Dunks is stepping up, man. And as for the other sneaker as well, same exact thing. We got the white going along through the sneaker. Also, we got it going on the collars and the back of the sneaker as well. We got the white bottom sole also with the white toe box and the green finish at the bottom as well, which is I guess called Cargo Khaki. But as you can see, we got the green strippings as well through there, right along with the Nike check, the swoosh. We also got from the front of the toe, the lip of the toe, we got the Cargo Khaki, well, a green, if you ask me, right along with the is this a brown? No, I guess it's like a darker green lace, I would say. You know, I don't know if you can see, focus. It's Cargo Khaki sneaks, laces, that's not brown, I would say. But I mean, again, man, the inside of the shoe as sneaker as well, as you can see. It's a nice sneaker, man. I just don't know. I don't see me wearing them like that. I mean, I don't know if y'all have a pair of sneakers as well that way you like, you know, I don't know if you're gonna wear them like that. But all in all, I mean, it's worth getting. And I want to say that's like a brown. That's got to be a brown, man. For the Nike check in the front. I mean, you tell me. I don't know, man. I can't see, you know. But yeah, I mean, all in all, man, they worth copping, man. I mean, you let me know in the comments. Would you wear them, or is this your type of style? Are you feeling Dunks right now? You tell me. Always be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the videos for your boy, man. Because like I said, you know, we got sneaker readers coming here and there. I got more sneakers as well, you know, over here now. I'm not even gonna move the camera over there, but we got more sneakers to come. And yeah, man, like I said, this is gonna be probably a year of Dunks, man. The year of Dunks. And a little J's here and there, but all in all, man, yo, man, I truly appreciate it as always. And yeah, man, we're gonna continue bringing sneaker videos. But until then, man, we give you one more look at the sneaker. Like I said, I know it was a quick video, but I mean, they are pretty hot, man. Again, man, y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about this this sneaker right here. Would you keep them? Would you get rid of them? Is this your fit? Is this your fit right here? I mean, if this is what you like rocking, is this the colors you like? Because I know a lot of people like this green style look. Yeah, man, and y'all let me know in the comments right now, you know. But again, man, love and blessings. Be on the lookout for more sneakers. And again, man, I'll see y'all in the next one.